Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about present continuous tense. Here is some rules of present continuous tense. Subject plus am is plus verb for plus object plus remain. How to use am, I am, and how to use is. He is, she is, it is, Ram is. And how to use are, they are, we are, boys are, you are. And here is some example for you. The pen is, my father is, we are, books are, days are. And remember this, always use third person singular is, always use is. And third person plural always use are. And let's see how to make sentence. I am, you are, she is, they are, the flowers are, the books are, the girls are, the kings are, the trees are, the man is, pens are. Let's make sentence. I am reading a book. My brother is drawing a picture. The boys are playing in the field. Father is sleeping. Mother is cooking. I am doing sums. You are now looking at me. The boy is flying a kite. She is reading now. They are running. I am going. You are happy. Raju is dancing. We are going to school. He is reading a book. It is raining. I am writing a letter. He is eating rice. Thank you for watching.